system and methods for managing pressure and flow rate is a much needed innovation for management of water distribution in high-rise buildings. An innovation developed by Mr. Sunil Kumar, an engineer by profession. This product has a potential to save huge amount of fresh water from wastage, which is due to excessive pressure and flow rates in a pipeline.
The technology is that it uses the two orifice plates in series, distance apart at a defined distance, and the diameter of tubulator is also function of the orifice, and it's regulate the pressure and flow rate of a any flowing fluid, that may be either liquid or a gas.
It is very common to have very high pressure of water at the lower levels of a high-rise building, due to which the amount of water flowing out of the tap or flow rate and pressure is way more than what is required. Here, in this building, in order to show the effectiveness of this technology, we have installed the device with different diameters and flow rate on the first two taps, and the last tap is left with the pre-existing fittings. A pressure gauge is installed to show the pressure change in the pipeline. Now, if we open the tap 3, which has not been fitted with our device, we observe that the amount of water flowing out of the tap is much higher. This is what we call the pressure and flow rate. This causes water splashes and wastage. The pressure in the pipeline also drops substantially as we open the tap without device, which results in unequal distribution of water at all outlets connected with this entry point. On the contrary, now, if we look at the taps with the device installed, the water and flow rate is controlled. When we open the taps, the water pressure and flow rate is adjusted to the desired levels. There is no splashing or wastage of water. Also, when the device is installed, the pressure in the pipeline is also regulated. Inlet pressure does not drop or drops very marginally, which allows equal distribution of water at all outlets connected with this entry point.
This is a device which can be used at a place where there is a need of regulating of pressure and flow rate. This can be used like creating brakes in ships, aeroplane and submarine, and it can be used to regulate the flow rate in gas stoves. It can be used to kill the energy of water falling from a sufficiently height, like waterfall or a dam. It can be helping in treating the wastewater as well as the solid waste, and can be used for so it has a multiple uses. I had tested this device for 3 uses. Number 1, water management. Number 2, brakes in a motorized boat. Number 3, auto shocker. This device has been checked up to a inlet pressure of 14 kg per centimeter square, and the result has been absolutely fine.